Hi, my name is Chen Chan Cheng. I'm a master's student in computer science who is going to graduate this year.
My name is Matthew Wysek. I'm a computer science undergraduate and I will be graduating next semester.
Hi, my name is Devesh and I'm a computer science student and I'll be graduating next year.
So we decided to crawl the Federal Register for our documents. It's the daily journal of the United States government, and it is how how the U.S. government interacts with the public by publishing notices, proposed rules, and presidential documents like executive orders. On Thursday, April 21st, 142 different documents were published in the Federal Register. An example of the kind of things that are published here is a notice by the Small Business Administration amending a presidential declaration of a major disaster in Virginia. We believe that we have a better method of searching for and visualizing the results of the Federal Register than the current text-based system where you type in a query, like say emergency assistance, and you get back a long list of links like this.
We use Federal Register's API. So the API, how the way it works is you can retrieve the whole day's document by using their JSON API. So we send the date and it gives us a JSON of XML documents that were posted, and then using our program we parse the JSON and then get the documents. To reach 1,55,000 document count, we incremented the days and retrieved about 1,55,000 documents. The second part was building the indexer. We built our own indexer because the Solar API's default indexer builds its own index using the XML document. But since we wanted to do our own graphical representation that would be really helpful to the user, we built our own indexer and our XML parser.
Give a brief introduction on our application. This is our interface. As you can see that there's a query input place, and then there's the graph where we're going to set our visualization on the document. So let's take, for example, USA and energy. When you type in and then you hit search, you see that this is the visualization of the graph. And just as we talked about previously about the emergency assistance, as you can see in this graph, notice that mostly all the documents are the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and that's pretty obvious because that's where usually the emergency documents comes out. And what I want to point out is when you are interested in, like for example, the Farm Service Agency, and then you want to know what this document is about, you just hover through on the node, and then you see the subject, Emergency Agriculture Assistant, blah blah blah. And then if you're really interested, just click on the node, and then it takes you to the page. And then another great thing about this library we used is that actually we can play around with it, even though this has nothing related to the information retrieval. And then this is the library we used, the visualize vis.js. And then you're welcome to go over here and then look at it. And this is our presentation for our project. Thank you.